my partner just said to me, is this video about blusher? And I said, yes. And I said, it's my favorite thing. And he went, it's not mine, because he edits these videos. Okay, let's swatch. Hey everyone, okay, so today I'm going to be swatching for you and blending out every single shade from Merit Flush Balms. I bought this, by the way, wasn't sent. Now, you all know I'm a massive Merit fan in terms of pretty much everything I've tried. Now the Flush Balms, you all know my feelings on blusher. I love it, it's my favorite thing. The thing that I love best about these is it's a balm-like texture. And this texture offers a sheer coverage on the skin. It is intensely hydrating, dewy and moist, touching to the skin. Oh, it is the most beautiful, beautiful product. And because of the sheer nature of it, you can pick lighter, you can pick darker and brighter shades, should I say, than you might normally pick, and it still come out absolutely gorgeous because of that sheer light pigment texture. Now, there's not a shade here I don't like. Some I prefer to others. Rouge is one of my, oh, I love Rouge. It is a universal flattering red. There are so many colors to pick from. Did I mention that I love Merit? It is an epic brand. And I hope you see with all this swatching and all the application, how beautiful these look. And you can pick your favorite color. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.